Shortcut keys for changing cell format in Excel. How to change the cell format in Excel today I will discuss. Hello guys, myself Samir Ghosh and welcome you to my channel Samir's Class. Whenever we want to change the format of a particular cell or cells of a Excel worksheet, we can change it by using the shortcut keys. Today I will discuss 12 such shortcut keys by which we can change the cell format easily in Excel shortcuts. The basic shortcuts are ctrl+shift percentage button for apply percentage format, ctrl+shift dollar button apply currency format, ctrl+shift @ button apply time format, ctrl+shift hash to apply date format, ctrl+shift exclamatory sign apply number format, ctrl+shift tilde to apply general format, ctrl+shift caret to apply scientific format. Other than 7 these shortcuts, we have another 5 shortcuts, that is ctrl+1 to open format cell dialog box. Similarly, by pressing ctrl+B, apply or remove bold format, ctrl+I to apply or remove italic format. Similarly, ctrl+U, by pressing ctrl+U, apply or remove underline format, and ctrl+5 apply or remove strike formats. Now using these shortcut keys, I will show how the cells of the format changes. I have a tabular data. By simply using these shortcut keys, I will change the format of these cells. First of all, I will change the percentage format. For this, I will first select the total columns and then press ctrl+shift and percentage button. By pressing this, we can see that it is percentage format changes. The numbers changes in the percentage format. Similarly, for currency format changing, we will first select these numbers and then by pressing ctrl+shift and $sign, the format changes to currency format. Similarly, for the time format changing, by simply selecting these columns, we will press ctrl+shift and @ button. So we see it is a time format changes. Now in this F column, I have some numbers. To change the date format, I will first select these columns and by pressing ctrl+shift and hash button, it changes to date format. We can see that numbers are changes in the date format. Again in G column, I have some numbers, so I have to change in the decimal formats, for which I have to first select all the numbers in the column and then by pressing ctrl+shift and exclamatory sign, we change it is the decimal numbers. Again, for general numbers format changes, I will select this H columns numbers. I am select this H columns and by pressing ctrl+shift and tilde button, it's not change, it is a simply general number. Then for scientific numbers, by selecting all the numbers and pressing ctrl+shift and caret, it is changes into the scientific format. In this way, we can change any number into the percentage format, currency format, time format, date format, decimal format, general format and scientific formats by simply pressing ctrl+shift and percentage button for percentage, ctrl+shift $ for currency, ctrl+shift @ for time format, ctrl+shift and hash button for date format, ctrl+shift and exclamatory sign for decimal format, ctrl+shift plus tilde for general format, and ctrl+shift and caret for scientific format. Now I have 4 other shortcuts, that is for bold, italic, underline and strike. For bold or highlighted the numbers, we have to first select the total column and simply press Ctrl and B, it changes to the bold. Again we press Ctrl and B, it will unbold. So in this way we can change any number or text either bold or italic format. Similarly, for italic format, I will select first these numbers and press Ctrl and I, it is italic. Again we press Ctrl plus I, it is then changes into the normal format. For underline format, first select all these numbers and press Ctrl and U, it is underline. For remove the underline, again we have to press Ctrl and U, the underline format will disappear. Next, for strike the numbers, for the strike the numbers we have to select first these numbers, then press Ctrl and 5. You see all the numbers are strikeouts. To remove the strikes, again we have to press Ctrl and 5. So strike is removed. That's all for this video. In this way we can change the format of the cells by using shortcut keys. If you like this video and if it is useful for you, then please like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new video notification. Thank you.